Hello everyone, the weather is getting cooler, which makes it perfect for making a steaming hot dish of braised cabbage with tofu. Braised cabbage with tofu. Should you stir fry the cabbage first or braise the tofu first? Today I'll teach you the correct way to make it. The aroma is simply irresistible. Prepare a head of Chinese cabbage and break off as much as you need to eat. This way the remaining cabbage is easier to store. Then rinse the cabbage thoroughly under running water. After washing, set it aside to drain off the excess water. Prepare a handful of sweet potato vermicelli and place it in a bowl, then add a spoonful of salt. Next, pour in boiling water until the vermicelli is fully submerged. Set it aside to soak for 5 minutes until the vermicelli softens. Prepare a block of tofu and cut it into thin slices. Once sliced, place the tofu on a plate for later use. Prepare 50 cents worth of pork belly, slice it thinly. Adding pork belly will make the stew especially fragrant. After slicing, place it on a plate for later use. Tear the drained cabbage leaves into pieces. Set them aside on a plate. Tear the cabbage stems into pieces as well and place them on another plate. Our vermicelli is also soaked and ready. Take it out and drain off the water. Put it in a bowl. Add an appropriate amount of light soy sauce. Add a little dark soy sauce and mix well. This will color the vermicelli and make it more flavorful. Next, prepare 10 grams of ginger and slice it. Slice an appropriate amount of scallion. Slice 3 cloves of garlic. After slicing, place them on a plate for later use. Add a little dried chili and a small amount of oil to the pan. Once the oil is hot, add the tofu. Fry the tofu until the surface is golden brown. Gently shake the pan to ensure the tofu heats evenly. Finally, fry the tofu until both sides are golden brown. Alright, remove it from the pan and set aside. Next, add the pork belly. Stir fry the pork belly until fragrant and the fat is rendered and the surface turns slightly golden. Then add 2 star anise and stir fry until aromatic. Next, add the scallions, ginger, garlic, and dried chili peppers and stir fry until fragrant. Add a little dark soy sauce and stir fry until the color develops. Then add the cabbage stems and stir fry until they're just cooked, about 80% done. Since cabbage stems take longer to cook than the leaves, we need to stir fry the stems first. Next, add the cabbage leaves and stir fry until they soften. Then add an appropriate amount of water. Now for seasoning, add a spoonful of salt and a spoonful of chicken bouillon. Add an appropriate amount of oyster sauce. Stir well to combine. Then add the tofu. Add the vermicelli as well. Mix everything evenly. Cover with a lid and cook for about 5 minutes to let the tofu and vermicelli absorb the flavors. When the time is up, add some chopped scallions. Give it a final stir and it's ready. This smells absolutely amazing. A delicious braised cabbage with tofu is ready, nutritious, flavorful, and perfect with both rice and drinks. On a cold day, make a pot, and the more you eat, the more you'll love it. The method is very simple, so I hope my video has been helpful to you. Please kindly use your lucky hands to like and share this video. Thank you for your support.